ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड will co-host FIFA Women's World Cup 2023. Winnie Mahajan became the first woman Chief Secretary of Punjab. Navy indigenously developed advanced torpedo decoy system. इसको डेवलप किया DRDO ने. Government will launch floating rate saving bonds 2020 taxable scheme with effect from July 1, 2020. President Ramnath Kovind has promulgated the Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance 2020 to ensure depositors' safety across banks. This ordinance amends Banking Regulation Act 1949. UNESCO has released 2020 GEM report SSE's progress towards Sustainable Development Goal 4 on education and other educational areas. यूनेस्को का हेडक्वार्टर है पेरिस में. Headquarters of NASA at Washington DC will be renamed after Mary W. Jackson, the first African American female engineer at NASA. Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru has become India's first airport to install aviation weather monitoring system. India placed at 77th position in terms of money parked with Swiss Bank. UK ने टॉप किया है. Yes Bank launches Yuva Pay for contactless payment. Rahul Dravid named as India's greatest test batsman in Wisden poll. India became first country to control locust through drones. IIT Bombay has developed a receiver chip titled Dhruv. Kerala's Health Minister K.K. Shelja has been honored by the United Nations for her efforts to fight COVID-19 pandemic in Kerala. National Statistics Day is being observed on 29th June. ये बर्थडे है PC महालनोबिस का. Ministry of Culture is celebrating Sankalp Parv. It is to pledge to plant trees. Anandiben Patel took additional charge as Madhya Pradesh Governor. President Ramnath Kovind has appointed Anandiben Patel under Article 155 and 160 of the Constitution. She is currently serving as the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. World Bank has approved worth $500 million loan for strengthening teaching, learning and results for states STARS program to improve quality and governance of school education in 6 Indian states. ये 6 राज्य हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश, केरला, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, उड़ीसा एंड राजस्थान. हिमाचल प्रदेश यहाँ ऊपर हो गया, यहाँ मध्य प्रदेश हो गया, राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र, केरला और उड़ीसा. Indian umpire Nitin Menon has been included into International Cricket Council's Elite Umpire Panel for 2020-21. He is the third Indian to be inducted at this panel after Srinivas Venkatraghavan and Sundaram Ravi. Michael Martin elected as the Prime Minister of Ireland. नशा मुक्त भारत एनुअल एक्शन प्लान 2020-21 इसको लॉन्च किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट ने. What is anthropause? It is also called as a great pause. It is a term coined by the researchers in the UK. It refers to the coronavirus-induced lockdown period and its impact on other species. Anthropause. मरीच, इट इज एन एडवांस एंटी टॉर्पेडो डिकॉय सिस्टम. ये उसका नाम मरीच है जो अभी नेवी ने लॉन्च किया है. द ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड अ 2-year कंजर्वेशन प्रोजेक्ट फॉर फिशिंग कैट इन भितरकनिका नेशनल पार्क, फिशिंग कैट जो है वो नॉकटर्नल होती है यानी एक्टिव एट नाइट। Zealandia, scientists confirmed the existence of an 8-continent called Zealandia under the New Zealand and the surrounding ocean. Zealandia क्या एक लॉस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट है, ये न्यूजीलैंड है, इसके नीचे है वो ज़ीलैंडिया, जिसे 8वां कॉन्टिनेंट होने की बात कही जा रही है। ठीक है, तस्मान सी है। Israeli-Palestinian conflict is at watershed moment. The Israel plans to annex part of the West Bank have alarmed the Palestinians, many Israelis and the international community. What is West Bank? It is a landlocked territory near the Mediterranean coast of Western Asia, bordered by Jordan to the east and by the Green Line separating it and Israel on the south, west and north. The West Bank also contains a significant section of the Western Dead Sea shore. ये है आपका वेस्टर्न बैंक, ये आपका ऑरेंज है इजराइल, ये आपका जॉर्डन है, तो यहाँ से जॉर्डन है, ये डेड सी है। ठीक है, डेड सी के पास है वेस्ट बैंक। The government has launched the scheme Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Enterprises. The scheme will be implemented for the 5 year 2024-25 तक. Centrally sponsored expenditure to be shared by the Government of India and state at 60-40. 2 lakh micro enterprises are to be assisted with credit linked subsidy. Micro enterprises will get credit linked subsidy at 35% of the eligible project cost with ceiling of ₹10 lakh. Beneficiary contribution will be minimum 10% and balance from loan. इसमें क्लस्टर अप्रोच फॉलो होगी और फोकस होगा पेरिशेबल्स पर। Indian government has put a ban on 59 apps including TikTok वगैरह। For this, the ministry has invoked its power under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act. Covaxin, it is India's first COVID vaccine candidate approved by the Drug Controller General of India, DCGI.